Hi everyone, welcome to another video on stock analysis. My name is Shantanu and in this video I'm going to be talking about a PSU stock. The name of the stock is NBCC or National Buildings Construction Corporation Limited, and I'm going to be talking about the history of the stock, the business model, the recent financial performance, and finally my personal opinion about the stock. So let's start with the history of the company. So NBCC was incorporated in 1960 to undertake civil and industrial infrastructure projects for the state and central government. So like I said, NBCC's full form is National Buildings Construction Corporation Limited, and it comes under the umbrella of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So NBCC went public in 2011 when the government decided to increase its capex, and this was it about the history of the company. Now I'll talk about the business model. So overall there are three main revenue models, or you can say business model, from which the company earns its revenues. First is PMC. Now PMC stands for Project Management Consultancy, and I'll tell you a bit about what this means exactly. The second sector is real estate development, and finally the third segment is infrastructure development. You should know that the company earns majority of its revenue from the PMC. So project management consultancy means that let's say there is some X organization which backs a project from the government. Now NBCC will act as a consultant to that particular organization, and another role that NBCC plays is that it helps in redevelopment of existing government properties. That means these properties can be roads, bridges, airports, towers, etc. Now regarding the real estate sector, NBCC is involved in a lot of hospitality, residential and other types of buildings. So that's where it contributes in the real estate sector. Regarding the infrastructure development sector, NBCC is actively involved in developing towers, power plants, chimneys, etc. And NBCC has a strong market position when it comes to PMC. So this was it about the business model of the company, and I'll now talk about the financial performance of the company. The company claims that this fall in revenue is due to reasons such as delay in project clearances, legal issues, coronavirus outbreak, and the underperforming real estate sector. And to add to this, it is being predicted that the real estate sector along with PMC will face problems in the coming quarter in terms of revenue because of coronavirus and the demand being less. On a positive note, the company is virtually debt free, so that's a huge positive point. And this was it about the financial performance of the company. Now I'll talk about my personal opinion. So NBCC is a good dividend yielding company. It yields a dividend of around 0.62%, which is not that bad, and it's virtually debt free. Also, another positive point for me is that the company has a strong market position when it comes to PMC. Weakness includes the issue in delay of the project clearances as well as coronavirus disruptions, and as you know, the real estate sector is underperforming right now. So that's a couple of weaknesses out there. And regarding my outlook on the stock, I think the stock is good, very good in fact, for long term. And if you're a type of investor who believes in investing and forgetting about the stock or your money, then this is a good stock for you to invest in. For short term, I wouldn't invest in this stock because the real estate sector again is totally underperforming. And this was it about NBCC. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please don't forget to like below and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any recommendation on which topic should I discuss about next, then please do comment below. The topic can be another stock or a strategy that you are willing to learn. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.